Hi guys, Neci LoveHarmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to thread the bobbin part the Brother XL5340 sewing machine. So what you will need is your bobbin case as well as the wound threaded bobbin. But first thing I'm going to do is take my extension box off here, and I'm going to open this case that holds the bobbin and all its registrants. Okay. First thing you need to do is let's go ahead and put the bobbin in the bobbin case. So we want to make sure it's going clockwise here. We're going to insert it into the case, and you'll see a slit here. Go ahead and put your thread in that slit, and then you're going to pull it to the left. So I'm using my right hand to do all this. So I take it and I'm pulling it to the left. I hear it click. Okay. And so it should be coming out of this upper little opening here. All right. So if you don't hear it click, then you know you didn't do it right. So start again. All right. So now it's ready. Now let's show you a little bit concerning the bobbin case. I call this the horn, and then this is the door. Okay, so you want to place the horn in this crevice here as you open the door. So I'm going to open the door, and then I'm going to place the horn into there. Okay, and close the door. And now the bobbin is set in the mechanism. All right, that was super easy. I just came up with that. So the next thing you want to do is we are going to pull the bobbin thread up through here. Now my top thread is already threaded, so it's ready to go. I'm going to take the presser foot off just to illustrate what it looks like. You do not have to take the presser foot off in order to attach the bobbin thread to the sewing machine. So the hand wheel is here. I'm going to turn the hand wheel towards me. Okay, the needle is going down and it's going to pull. So you see that this is the top thread needle. Okay, but if you just take this in your hand and you just yank, just keep pulling very gently. I'm just pulling. And I have to pull the hand wheel a little bit. But you see that there's a thread here that's coming up. That is the bobbin thread. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that. Okay. So this is the top one that I've already threaded. And then this is the bobbin here. And that is all you have to do. And then you'll pull it to the back. What I usually do is put it through the toes and then pull it to the back. Now I'm going to show you how to do it with the presser foot on so that you have a realistic view of it. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out the machine. Okay, the horn goes there. The door is open. I'm closing the door, and I'm going to grab this with my hand. I'm going down, and then I'm just yanking it, and you see that bobbin thread is coming up. I'm grabbing it, okay? I'm grabbing it, and there you go. I'm gonna put it through the toes and pull it to the back. Okay. Close that case here, put the extension box back on, and bam, now you are ready to sew. So thank you for watching our video of the Brother XL5340 sewing machine and how to insert the bobbin. So thanks for watching. Like our video, comments, leave us some comments, subscribe to our page, connect with us on Instagram and Facebook, and happy sewing.